1. Student number 1. Budget 2 crores. Pre-release business 2.75 crores. Collections 12 crores. Movie verdict hit. 2. Simhadri. Budget 8 crores. Pre-release business 13 crores. Collection 33 crores. Movie verdict all-time blockbuster. Number 3. Sai. Budget 5 crores. Pre-release business 7 crores. Collection 9.5 crores. Movie verdict hit. 4. Chhatrapati. Budget 10 crore. Pre-release business 13 crore. Collections 21 crores. Movie verdict super hit. 5. Vikramarkudu. Budget 11 crore. Pre-release business 14 crores. Collections 23 crores. Movie verdict super hit. 6. Yamadonga. Budget 18 crores. Pre-release business 22 crores. Collections 29 crores. Movie verdict super hit. 7. Magadhira. Budget 44 crores. Pre-release business 48 crores. Collections 78 crores. Movie verdict all-time blockbuster. Number 8. Maryada Ramanna. Budget 14 crores. Pre-release business 20 crores. Collections 29 crores. Movie verdict super hit. 9. Eega. Budget 26 crores. Pre-release business 32 crores. Collections 45 crores. Movie verdict super hit. 10. Bahubali 1. Budget 136 crores. Pre-release business 191 crores. Collection 600 crores. Movie verdict all-time blockbuster. 11. Bahubali 2. Budget 250 crores. Pre-release business 3 crores. Collections 843 crores. Movie verdict all-time blockbuster. Number 12. Triple R. Budget 550 crores. Pre-release business 450 crores. Collections 1300 crores. Movie verdict all-time blockbuster. Number 13. SSMB 29. Budget 1000 crores. ఈ మూవీ ఎంత కలెక్ట్ చేస్తుందో కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే వీడియోకి లైక్ చేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.